Hi, this is Paris from Rapid Visual. There's a lot that's happening in the AI ecosystem, but not many people I find understand exactly how this ecosystem comes together. What does it mean? What are the different players? And how does it all work together where we see some incredible developments happening so fast and it's just difficult to come up with? So here's an analogy. Now, if we look at nature as the ultimate ecosystem, let's use that to create a sort of a bit of a parallel. Imagine if you're holding up a leaf up to the light and you're noticing this intricate network of veins spreading throughout it. Now, these tiny pathways are essential for the leaf's survival. They transport water and nutrients to every part. In the world of AI, these leaf veins are represented by the neurons and the data pathways within an AI model, like, for example, ChatGPT. Now, just as the veins distribute nutrients, these data pathways transmit information and they process data within the particular AI model. They're the foundational elements that allow the AI to understand input and generate responses. Now, if you think about each leaf on a tree, each one absorbs sunlight and performs photosynthesis independently, but it contributes to the tree's overall health. In a similar way, in the AI landscape, each leaf represents an individual AI tool or model. For example, a large language model like GPT-4o is like a leaf. It operates on its own to generate human-like text. Other leaves include models like Llama or AI tools that create voiceovers or videos. Each one functions independently and it processes data and performs specific tasks. Yet they're all part of the larger tree of AI technology. Branches hold the leaves and connect them to the trunk, and they support and organize them. In AI, branches symbolize platforms or services that bring together multiple AI tools to work in unison. For example, platforms like Make.com or RapidVisual.ai act as branches. They integrate various AI models, our leaves, to create seamless workflows or user-friendly applications. This integration allows different AI tools to communicate and to work together to perform more complex tasks than they could individually. The tree trunk is the central support structure that connects the roots to the branches and the leaves. It transports nutrients and provides stability. And in the AI analogy, the trunk represents the core infrastructure and platforms that are needed to support all these AI services. It includes, for example, cloud services like Amazon Web Services or Azure, or APIs that developers use to build AI applications. These are foundational technologies and they enable AI models and tools to function properly and reach users effectively, much like the trunk supports the entire tree. But beneath the ground, the roots spread out to absorb water and nutrients from the soil, anchoring the tree firmly. In AI, roots symbolize the data sources and knowledge bases that feed information into the tree through the branches to the leaves, which are our AI models. Now, this includes vast datasets and databases that provide the raw material for AI learning and decision making. Without quality data, nutrients, the AI tree cannot grow or function effectively. And everything we put out there on the internet, every data, CRM, whatever information we're feeding, this is exactly what is then used to grow the tree in different ways. The roots ensure that the AI models have the foundational knowledge they need to be able to operate. The soil is the medium that holds the roots and provides essential nutrients for the tree to grow. In our AI analogy, the soil represents the computing resources and hardware that power AI systems. And this includes, for example, servers, GPUs, data centers that provide the computational power needed for AI models to process information. Just as fertile soil is crucial for a tree's health, then you have robust computing resources essential for AI performance and development. But when we step back, we see that individual trees make up a forest, a complex ecosystem where you have various trees that coexist. This forest represents the entire AI landscape, encompassing all AI technologies, applications, and services. It's the global ecosystem of AI, including everything from chatbots and voice assistants to advanced data analytics tools. Each tree or AI system contributes to the richness and diversity of the forest, much like how different AI technologies contribute to the broader tech landscape. In a forest, trees and plants interact with each other and their environment, creating a balanced ecosystem. Similarly, in the AI world, different systems and services interact and collaborate. This could be through API integrations or platforms that allow different AI models to work together. An example is if you integrate a language model like ChatGPT with a voice synthesis tool to create a virtual assistant that speaks to you. These collaborations enhance capabilities and lead to innovative solutions, much like the interdependent relationships found in a forest ecosystem. There's more. Sunlight is the energy source that enables trees to grow and thrive. And in our analogy, sunlight represents human innovation, creativity, and ethical guidance in AI development. It's the driving force behind all the advancements in AI technology. Human insights, research, ethical considerations fuel the growth and direction of AI, ensuring that it develops in ways that are beneficial and responsible. Just as sunlight is essential for a tree's growth, human input is crucial for the evolution of AI. And the atmosphere encompasses the air, climate, and environmental conditions that affect how trees grow. In our context with AI, the atmosphere represents the regulatory environment, societal attributes, public perceptions that influence AI development. This includes laws, regulations, ethical standards that govern how AI can be used. It also involves public opinion and acceptance of AI technologies. The atmosphere shapes the conditions under which AI evolves, much like how climate and environmental factors influence the growth of a forest. Now, an important question arises. Who owns the forest? This leads us to the ongoing debate between open source and closed source AI models. In our analogy, open source AI models are like public forests, accessible to everybody. They encourage collaboration, innovation, and shared benefits. On the other hand, closed source AI models are like privately owned forests with restricted access. Companies control these models and keep their inner workings hidden. While they may offer powerful capabilities, access is limited to those who own them or pay for entry. This debate impacts how the AI forest grows and who benefits from its resources. Balancing both approaches is crucial to ensure that the AI ecosystem develops in a way that promotes innovation while also considering business interests and security. Understanding this dynamic helps us navigate the AI landscape and consider how to foster an ecosystem that benefits everybody. I hope you've enjoyed that and that you found something for you to think about, because we're entering some very interesting times ahead of us. And these conversations, what could we do with AI, but what should we do with AI, are equally important. Keep innovating.